Hi to this APC, and today I'm coming out with another tutorial. Today's tutorial is going to be a little different. It's going to have nothing to do with Game Maker. It's just that I wanted to show you guys how to get images from Minecraft, since this is, if you're into Minecraft and you like making stuff in Game Maker, and this might be useful to you, and not everybody knows this, so I thought you might want to know this. So, in my previous tutorial stack inventories, I got images from Minecraft, and those weren't, rather than just going to the game and trying to look at it and try and copy best I can, you can actually go into the on your computer and find where the files are saved, and that's what I'm showing you how to do right now. So first off, you go into your my computer and you click local disk C, or whatever your main disk is. Then once you're there, you go down to users. Then I'm gonna click APC, but you're gonna click whatever your name is of whichever account you're using. Then under APC or whatever account you're using, you go under a file called app data. But if you look at this, you can't see any file called app data. That's because app data is a hidden file. Windows makes hidden files because it stores all kinds of files that would only be used by programs, and they're fairly certain that it's never going to be used by human beings, so it'll just make it look unorganized to have it here when it's never being used. So the way you would access it is click up here, and then you do /app data. So now we're inside that folder that didn't exist earlier. So then we go into roaming, and it's used by a bunch of programs, as you can see here, but the one that we want to access is Minecraft. Then we go under bin, and then this is where everything's stored from Minecraft, and this is a special type of folder called a jar file, which is something to do with Java, and you use a special program in order to open it. The best way to go is use WinRAR, which is the only free one I know of. So you would right click open with. If this doesn't show up here, you probably need to install it. I'll put a link in the description, and maybe put an annotation here as well to link you to where you would download it. Once you download and installed it, if it still doesn't show up here, click choose default program, browse, then under it by default goes under program files, but if it doesn't go there by default, you can just copy the directory I have here. So look under program files, see if you find it here. If it's not there, then go under program. x86 means you have a better processor and it can handle this. So then you scroll down until you see WinRAR, and there we have it. And click on that, and you simply click on this right here, and you click open. That's how it goes. So right click, open with WinRAR. Okay, officially it's the demo version, but there's no advantage to buying it, so you just close this out every time. So this is a lot like Windows Explorer, and here are everything that has anything to do with Minecraft. You can see all these class files right here. They contain all of the coding and stuff. That's where all that is, so you can see the majority of it is class files. But there's also some images like these ones. So let's go into the title, just to give you an example. This motion.png, this is the logo that shows up in the beginning every time. You can change this around and make it some other look if you so wanted to. And then here's the Minecraft logo on the main screen. And then this is also pretty interesting, splash.txt. You know how once you get to the Minecraft page and the main Minecraft main screen, there's like a random text that shows up next to the logo. Well, all those texts are stored in here. I'd open it, but Notepad isn't working for me for some reason. But if take my word for it, if you open it, it'll have a whole list of different words that are completely random, and that's what makes up the list that the random words in the beginning are chosen from. So you can modify that list if you so wish, and surprise your friends with that. If you go under mob, you get all the textures used for the animals and stuff. So let's see, if you go under pig, that's texture pack for pig. And where's creeper? There's creeper. That's what creepers are. And that's how creepers look like in the texture. So those are just some fun ones you need to know that you don't need to know. But those are just some fun ones that most of you probably may not make use of. But just another fun fact is that whenever you install a texture pack, all it's doing is replacing these images with images made by other people. And same goes for all of these images. So if you go into GUI and items, this is probably one of the ones that you will find useful. These are all of the items in Minecraft. So they got the whole arsenal of every type of weapon and everything. This is this 1.8, so you see the drawing back bow animation right here as well. And then there's the terrain right here, just in the main folder under terrain. These are all the different terrains in the game, and if you don't see it right here, you probably have your folder organized differently, like right here. Now I would type to ascending, and then you can change it to descending, and so now those terrain stuff don't show up here anymore. They show up all the way at the bottom. So I actually had a lot of trouble finding it when I was figuring out this tutorial. So that's where that is. From here you can just open it up and save it somewhere else, and then you can edit it to your liking and save it there, and you can modify Minecraft to make it personal to you. Or you can load the files and use them in GameMaker or Blender or whatever. It possibly is limitless. So I hope you found this useful. Please rate, comment. I'd say subscribe, but if you've liked this video, I can't guarantee you like my other videos because most of the other ones are nothing like this. So, but if you so wish, you can check out my channel and see if you are into the GameMaker. Sounds fun, and I know GameMaker. Alright, so see you guys next time. Bye.